Greetings and welcome. Today we'll see few more examples on this topic volume. If I consider the example, find the volume bounded by z is equal to x square plus y square. This is paraboloid and the line z is equal to 2x. Since power of x and y both are even, it is symmetric about z axis. So this is the paraboloid z is equal to x square plus y square. And this is the line z is equal to 2x in this xz plane. And we want to find volume of this region. In this, if I consider the vertical strip which is parallel to z axis, so you will get the limits for z. Z varies from paraboloid to this line, that is z varies from x square plus y square to the line 2x. Now first if I integrate with respect to z, z varies from x square plus y square to 2x dz dx dy, that is equal to double integral of dz is z. You have to apply limits from x square plus y square to 2x dx dy. We'll apply limits, upper limit minus lower limit. So we'll get double integral of 2x minus x square plus y square dx dy, and you have to evaluate this double integral which over the region which will be intersection of these two. If we want to find intersection of these two surfaces, we have to solve these two equations simultaneously. If you observe this, their left hand sides are equal, therefore we will equate the right hand side. You will get x square plus y square equal to 2x, which is a circle with center at, if you write down this in center radius form equation, you will get x minus 1 bracket square plus y minus 0 bracket square equal to 1, which represent a circle with center at 1, 0 and radius is equal to 1. This is the circle with center at 1, 0, radius is equal to 1. This is x axis, this is y axis. Equation of this circle in polar form is, while transferring to polar form we are using the substitution x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. You have to replace dx dy by r dr d theta and x square plus y square equal to r square. If I use this substitution in the above equation, you will get r is equal to 2 cos theta. This is equation of this circle in polar form. So this equation is r is equal to 2 cos theta. In this, if I consider the radial vector, you will get the limits for r, that r varies from 0 to this circle. So the limits for r varies from 0 to 2 cos theta. And if I will consider symmetry, since this circle is symmetric about x axis, we will consider this part, theta will varies from 0 to pi by 2, but in that case you have to multiply this region by 2. So you have volume equal to 2 times integration from 0 to pi by 2, second integral from 0 to 2 cos theta. X is equal to, you have to substitute r cos theta, so it is 2r cos theta minus x square plus y square is r square, and you are replacing dx dy by r dr d theta, so into r dr d theta, that is equal to 2 times integration from 0 to pi by 2. If I take this r inside the bracket, r into r is r square, integral of r square is r cube upon 3 cos theta minus r square into r is r cube, integral of r cube is r raised to 4 upon 4, limits from 0 to 2 cos theta d theta. Now if you apply limits, upper limit minus lower limit, you will get 2 times integration from 0 to pi by 2. If you apply upper limit, 2 cube is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 by 3 cos raised to 4 theta minus 2 raised to 4 is 16 upon 4 cos raised to 4 theta d theta. If I take constant outside, you will get 2 into 16 by 12 integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to 4 theta d theta, that is equal to 2 into 16 by 12 into, for this, since the limits are 0 to pi by 2, we will apply the reduction formula, that is 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2, and if you solve this equation, you will get the answer pi by 2, and that is the volume bounded by the paraboloid and the line z is equal to 2x. We'll take the second example. We want to find the volume common to the cylinder x square plus y square equal to a square, x square plus z square equal to a square. From this equation of cylinder, we'll try to find limits for y and z. From the first equation, we can say y square equal to a square minus x square. This implies y is equal to plus minus under root of a square minus x square. Similarly, if I find from x square plus z square equal to a square, you will get z square equal to a square minus x square. This implies z is equal to plus minus under root of a square minus x square. If I want limit for x from this equation or this equation, if I want limit for x, assume y is equal to 0. This will give you x square is equal to a square, that is x is equal to plus minus a. From this equation also you will get the same limit. Therefore, you have x varies from minus a to a, y varies from minus under root of a square minus x square to plus under root of a square minus x square, and z varies from minus under root of a square minus x square to plus under root of a square minus x square. If I write down the formula, volume is equal to triple integral of dz dy dx. Limits for z are from minus under root of a square minus x square to under root of a square minus x square. Same are the limits for y, that is minus under root of a square minus x square to a square minus x square, and x varies from minus a to plus a. If you observe this, this is constant function, and constant function is always an even function. Therefore, we can write down this as, if I consider limits from 0 to a instead of minus a to a, by using the theorem, you will get 2 here. Similarly, for this also you will get 2, and for this also you will get 2. So you have 2 into 2 into 2, and instead of writing minus to plus, we will write down the limits as 0 to under root of a square minus x square. Z also varies from 0 to under root of a square minus x square dz dy dx. And if I integrate this, 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So it is 8 times 0 to a, 0 to under root of a square minus x square. Integral of dz is z. Limits from 0 to under root of a square minus x square dy dx. If I apply limits, you will get 0 to a. Second integral is from 0 to under root of a square minus x square under root of a square minus x square dy dx. Now if I integrate this with respect to y, 8 is constant, 0 to a. Under root of a square minus x square is constant. Integral of dy is y. Limits from 0 to under root of a square minus x square dx. If we apply limit and simplify, you will get 8 times integration from 0 to a square minus x square dx. And if I integrate this, 8 into integral of a square is a square x minus integral of x square is x cube upon 3. Limits from 0 to a, that is equal to, if we apply limits, it is 8 in bracket a cube minus a cube upon 3. No need to apply lower limit because lower limit is 0. 0 into anything 0, this will become 0. Now if we simplify this, it is 8 2a cube upon 3, that is 16a cube upon 3, and this is the volume common to both these cylinder. Now I will take third example. I will take the third example. We want to find the volume of cylinder x square plus y square equal to twice ax intercepted between the paraboloid x square plus y square equal to twice az and xy plane. Xy plane, that means z is equal to 0. So first we'll get the limits for z. That z varies from 0 to this paraboloid. On this paraboloid we have z is equal to x square plus y square upon 2a. Now if I will integrate first with respect to z, you will get the limits for z. Z varies from 0 to x square plus y square upon 2a dz dx dy, that is equal to double integral of dz is z, limits from 0 to x square plus y square upon 2a dx dy. If I integrate, if you apply limits, you will get x square plus y square upon 2a dx dy. Now you have to evaluate this double integral over the region x square plus y square equal to twice x, and we know that this is nothing but a circle with center at 0 and radius is equal to a. If I try to make the perfect square, it is x square minus twice ax plus y square. If I add a square on both sides, this is nothing but x minus a bracket square plus we can say y minus 0 bracket square equal to a square. So this is circle with center at a comma 0 and radius is equal to a. Equation of this circle in polar form is r is equal to 2a cos theta. R is equal to 2a cos theta, since we are putting x square plus y square as r square and x is equal to r cos theta. One r will get cancelled. We are getting r is equal to 2a cos theta. That is equation of this circle in polar form. So r varies from 0 to 2a cos theta, and if I consider symmetry, only this region if I consider, the limits for theta will be from 0 to pi by 2. But you have to multiply the volume by 2. That is 2 times integration from 0 to pi by 2. Second integral is from 0 to 2a cos theta. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Dx dy is r dr d theta upon 2a as it is. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. R square into r is r cube. Integral of r cube is r raised to 4 upon 4. Limits from 0 to 2a cos theta d theta. Now if you apply limits for this bracket, 1 by 4 is constant. Take it outside. Integration from 0 to pi by 2. R raised to 4, that is 2a bracket raised to 4 into cos raised to 4 theta d theta. Since the limits are 0 to pi by 2, we can apply reduction formula for cos raised to 4 theta. You will get 1 by 4. 2a raised to 4 is 2 raised to 4 is 16 a raised to 4 into, if you apply reduction formula for cos raised to 4 theta, it is 3 by 4 1 by 2 into, since power is even, into pi by 2. Now 4 4 16 and this 16 will get cancelled. What is remaining? Upon a is there, 1 upon a. This a is, will take it outside, upon a. So you have the answer 3a cube pi upon 4. This is the volume common to this cylinder which is intercepted by the paraboloid and xy plane. Thank you.